Hey guys, it's Jenny with the Wolek Group, Keller Realty in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've just picked up my friend Chris Padley here with Gateway Mortgage, and he has no idea what we're gonna go do.
None, but I'm ready.
I love it that you say yes, even though you don't really know what's about to happen.
I'm happy to answer whatever questions you have.
Okay, good. Well, mainly this is all about you, and you are one of our trusted, referred lender friends here in Tulsa.
Right.
We have worked with you over the years and have had great success, and I think it's because we're a lot in the same mindset when it comes to helping our clients. So why don't you share with everybody who you are, how you got in this biz, and what you're seeing now that we're in the spring of the buying season of real estate.
Okay, well, like you said, Chris Padley, Gateway Mortgage. I've been in the business 16 years now. Been at Gateway for 6. Got in the business right out of college. It's the only thing my family has ever done. Both my parents are in the mortgage business, have been doing this. They've been in the business since the 80s. So I grew up kind of knowing what I was always going to do.
Yeah. No choice or?
None. Well, no, I mean, I wanted to.
You knew, okay.
I kind of grew up in a sales background, and this is a great sales job. What I'm seeing in the market right now is it's just the normal springtime explosion. It's crazy. Every single week is a new rush of pre-qualifications and contracts, and it's every year it's exciting, and I'm loving it.
How do you keep your mindset positive when it can get crazy, and we have all these ups and downs of business? What do you work on there?
For me, and again, like what you mentioned before, why I think we work well is it's all about sticking to the systems that I've put in place. When it's crazy, I have to stick to my scripts, stick to my daily phone calls, stick to my routine even more than other. Because if I let the craziness kind of change what my day is, everything kind of falls from there. And it's so easy to put, kind of the daily marketing stuff to the side when you get busy and you've got leads and whatnot. But if I don't make the time to make the calls and do what I'm supposed to be doing.
Well, let's just share that, because I guess that the majority of people that will watch this are maybe in the same industry as us. Mm-hmm. You actually lead generate and make calls to potential future clients and realtors.
Right. Yeah.
Like every day.
Every day.
Like so much so that I have a missed call from you that I haven't listened to, but I know it's
from
you.
Yesterday.
Yes. It is.
Sorry. Every day is a theme day. It's and I don't ever mind leaving voicemails, and I tell everybody that.
Me too.
I don't mind, but every day is a theme day for me, and so
I told you if it's important to text me.
I do. That's why, and so Mondays are my top 40. Yeah. Tuesdays are my Tuesday update calls. Wednesday, I'm following up with anybody who's pre-qualified, make sure that they are taken care of. Thursdays and Fridays, I'm following up with miscellaneous builders and leads that haven't applied yet and whatnot. There's every single day there's
and you've
work
got
to be
a
done.
Team that's helping you with the details at times and making sure that everybody's still loved on and clients are stayed in touch with.
Absolutely. I have a contract to close coordinator who takes care of everybody during the contract process, and besides that, it's the marketing piece of my business is taken care of by me.
All right, so now back to the mortgage world. What are rates at today?
Rates are awesome.
Are they?
Yes, especially compared to like the last 2 years. So like right now, I'm locking in at about 4.125.
What?
Yeah. Whereas,
30 year?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So, I've got, kind of a rush of refinances all of a sudden because of the opportunity. We were at 5% just like 2 months ago.
Okay, so I'll post this video today to create urgency around that interest rate for you.
Yeah, no, it's great. And so if you've got clients who have been on the fence for the last few months or just looking, now's a good time to take advantage. Now, I don't know if rates are going to bounce back up or whatnot, but because you never really know.
Right.
But right now is a good time to lock in.
Okay, so if somebody's thinking about making a move, now is a great time. We agree from our perspective as well. This is when a lot of buyers are getting into the market, and so if you're a seller thinking about selling, we want to talk to you, of course. And so how can people get in touch with you to get pre-qualified so they can find their perfect home?
The easiest way is just to go to the website. So go to thepadleyteam.com, and it
Okay.
has all of my contact information, including a link for the online application.
It's that easy.
That's it.
You're the best. Thanks, dude. All right, if you guys need anything from me, my number's 918-706-9845. Bye.
Bye.